Hi guys, welcome to Rocky Feet House. Today we are going to touch about mass gainers and whey proteins. I got so many requests to do a video about supplements. So I target two supplements that we basically use. I am going to discuss all the facts about these two supplements using my personal experience as a trainer and myself as an athlete. So stay with me all along this video guys. Let's jump into our video. Okay guys, first I will do a small description about those two supplements. Okay guys, so first we starting from whey protein. Whey protein is basically made from milk and it contains all the essential amino acids including the BCAAs. So whey protein have three main products in market. You can get whey concentrate, whey isolate and whey hydrolysate. So whey concentrate contains only 30 to 80% of protein by weight, and that includes fats and carbohydrate in form of lactose. And the second one is whey isolate. So whey isolate contains 90% of protein by weight and it has very low levels of carbs and fats comparing to whey concentrate. Third one, whey hydrolysate. So this is the best whey protein you can use. It contains 100% protein by weight and it doesn't contain any type of fat or carbs, and the cost is quite high. So guys, if you are a professional athlete or professional fitness personality, you can go with whey hydrolysate. Okay guys, let's turn around to mass gainers. Mass gainers contain with carbs, fats and proteins. The specialty on mass gainers are they loaded with a big amount of calories. So as example, if you get the serious mass, it almost have 1300 calories per serving. But the issue is the calories comes from carbohydrate in the form of sugar. So because of that, when you're consuming a mass gainer, you will gain weight very fast than usual. Okay guys, now I think you have a rough idea about what is a whey protein and what's a mass gainer. So now let's check it out, what is best for you. In this case, I will get myself as an example. So when I was 17 years old, I was a very skinny guy and I eat a lot but I didn't gain weight. So I did training, I eat, but my body doesn't react. Then I use a mass gainer, then I use two supplements around 3 to 4 months, then I gain weight very fast. So after using the mass gainer, I achieved my target weight, but I was look very bulky. I'm not seeing fit at all. Gain weight doesn't mean you gain muscle or strength. So you have a lot of gaps to fill. Then I decided to stop using the mass gainer and change to whey protein. Then I changed my diet and my workout also. Then my target was reducing my fat levels. I need to get a good body composition and good lean muscle mass. Okay guys, what I need to say is, if you are ectomorph, it means you are underweight, you are skinny and you really need to gain weight, or you are just a starter of fitness journey. Yes, you can take a mass gainer. And guys, one more thing you need to keep in mind. If you're trying to depend with just only mass gainers, don't do it guys. If you're using it, you need to get proper instructions from your instructor and you need to follow a good diet and good workout schedule. So after you achieving your weight, my recommendation, don't use the mass gainer for a long time. You can always switch to whey proteins. As a fitness instructor, bulky fat is not our goal. There are 5 health related fitness components that we need to achieve. We need to good in our cardiovascular health, we need to good in our muscular endurance, flexibility, strength, and we need to have a good body composition. Because gaining weight doesn't mean you gain strength or you gain lean mass. So only proteins will help you to gain lean mass and strength. Okay guys, in the other hand, you already a mesomorphy or endomorphy. You already in good weight but you need to gain lean mass or you need to reduce your weight. Don't use mass gainers guys. It makes you more fat and it doesn't help you at all. You can go for whey proteins. It helps you to gain muscle mass, and if you are a person who targeting to weight loss, yes, because it contains very less amount of calories. In this product, it only contains 120 calories per serving. So this is a great option for you too also. Okay guys, the recommended serving size of a whey protein is 1 scoop. It means approximately around 25 grams of protein. But in weight gainers, actually, I cannot recommend you a serving scoop because it depends your calorie intake, your body weight. Because our body can only absorb around 25 grams of protein or 50 grams of carbs in one intake. So if we take protein excessively, our body doesn't have any protein stores. So what our body do is it transfer the protein into fats. and they deposit in our adipose fat layer. Okay guys, so most of you guys ask me, does whey protein or mass gainers have any side effects? In whey proteins, I didn't see much side effects, but if you take it in high dosage, yes, you might cause some problems in your kidney or in your bowel movements, nausea, cramping, and guys, as I mentioned before, whey proteins are made from milk, so it contains lactose. So if you have any lactose intolerance, I'm not recommending to use whey proteins. You can replace it with soy protein. And if you are under a medication, before you using a whey protein, take advice from your doctor because it can affect for your medicine absorption. Okay guys, as I mentioned you before, mass gainers contains a lot of sugar. So if you use it for long term, it can cause diabetes also. So it's not good for long time use. So as the conclusion, I just need to tell you, if you are ectomorphic, you are underweight, or you just really need to gain weight, you can use a mass gainer. But after you achieve for your target level, switch to whey proteins. Or if you are a mesomorphic or ectomorphic, no matter what you're losing weight or gain lean mass, you can try the whey protein. And I don't see any side effects on these two, but if you go for long time use or overdosage, it will cause some problems. So guys, in this video, I cannot recommend you any particular brand of supplements. So if you need any help in recommending a supplement or making a diet schedule, workout program, I always try my best to help you. You can go to my Facebook page, Rocky Fit House. I will put the link below. So you can inbox me a personal message. I will try my best to help you guys. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you got any problems, comment, or you can inbox me on my Facebook page. If you find it useful, share, subscribe, hit the bell icon also. Okay guys, I will see you in another video. Thank you.